Today morning, let's start with a story. Okay. Today early morning, when I looked out of the window, I couldn't see anything. So you'll wonder what happened to me. No, actually, even I was wondering. But there was a fog, amazing fog, so much fog that I could barely see anything. Nothing. Usually we see the Corniche, the park, everything is visible. So that made me wonder, how dense the fog is. So I opened the door. I went out into we have a small terrace. So I went there and then I was checking, kuch nahi dikh raha. It's like we are sitting in a cloud. That's it. So when I saw this dense fog, when nothing is visible, I was thinking, is our mind like this? Do we have this word called brain fog? Something like that. All psychologists will know this. So ये जो brain fog है, mind fog, जो भी fog है, does it resemble this exact scene? I was thinking like that. Then I was thinking, ये जाएगा कैसे? बस सूर्य की किरण पड़ी and gone. That's all. The sun rays, as soon as it brightened up, there was no fog. The Corniche was there, the park was there, the buildings were there, everything was in place. So until then, kuch nahi dikh raha hai. So when we feel that we are seeing, are we seeing? Are we in the place to see? Because there is some other element also which needs to be supportive, and that is the mind, the brain, or whatever you understand. So when that itself is so fogged, what is it that we are trying to see? What is it that we are trying to even understand in life with so much fog? And what is the guarantee that there is no fog? Right now, what we feel is, अरे कुछ नहीं, I feel चलो चश्मा डालेंगे, कुछ साफ करेंगे, कुछ करेंगे, मुंह धोएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There is nothing we can do. The fog will not leave until the sun rays fall. And I understood the light of the sun to be jnana. ज्ञान या भक्ति या जो भी मार्ग पे है, उसका जो तप है, उसका जो अग्नि है, उससे वो जो फॉग है वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा, वो डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. एंड सडनली वील अंडरस्टैंड, अच्छा दिस वाज इट. तब तक तपना है सूर्य की किरणों की तरह. ठीक है. So we have to understand the importance of the light, the heat and everything, because that will allow us to melt. Allow the fog to melt, not us actually. The fog has to melt, the thoughts and everything that we are accumulating throughout the day, the tensions, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है. इतना fog में कुछ भी नहीं दिखने वाला है. हम लोग विवेक में नहीं चल सकते. We feel that we have a discriminatory intellect. Actually, we won't. In such a fog, if you could tell me exactly where Corniche is, I could just barely point it out, but I couldn't say exactly. इतना fog में कुछ नहीं दिखता है. There was once a time, a couple of years ago, when we had gone to Global Village, and it was past midnight when we were driving back. It took us 3 to 4 hours to reach from Dubai to Abu Dhabi, because we couldn't see anything in the car. We were like, the car is going, headlight डाल रहे, सामने कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, कुछ नहीं. It was so risky, so dangerous. We didn't know. We thought आराम से जाएंगे, but आराम से कहाँ, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. It was so risky, the whole journey, because कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. So are we on such a road जहाँ कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है और हम लोग गाड़ी में बैठे हैं, हेडलाइट लेके कि चलो कुछ कुछ दिख रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रहा है, मेरे को आगे दिख रहा है, ठीक है, I can see maybe little bit, so at least I won't go and bang somebody if they are in front of me, so I'll drive slowly. पीछे वाले का क्या गारंटी? The whole risk was not us driving not safe. We were driving at maybe 20-30. It's okay. We can just go like a bullock cart. But पीछे वाला जोश में चढ़ के आके ठोक दिया क्योंकि उसको हम लोग नहीं दिख रहा है. If I can't see the car in front of me, the other fellow can't see my car. So we could have just banged. So the whole deal is, यही चल रहा है क्या संसार में? Are we banging into each other knowingly, getting involved and troubled? And ये सब चल रहा है शायद. We need to just check ourselves कि fog कितना है. And if you are feeling that, okay, I can't see anything clearly, then it's better to increase the heat within you, so that with the heat of knowledge, heat of devotion, heat of whatever, it will all start melting. Okay, so this was what I felt early morning, so I just thought of sharing it with you all. So the next thing is, we'll start with the sutras. Okay, Tri-rupa bhanga. Tri-rupa is our rajas, tamas, sattva, whatever three, everything is three only in the universe. Everything is the Trinity itself. Triveni Sangam. People go all the way, अरे मेरा अभी मरने का टाइम आ गया, मुझे काशी जाना है, मुझे त्रिवेणी संगम में डुबकी लगाना है. It doesn't help, मरने के समय जाएंगे तो it will be too late. But the whole deal is, the understanding behind Triveni Sangam is Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Saraswati is below, it's not visible where she joins into the three, वो नीचे से जा रही है. So the whole deal is, we understand Saraswati is Jnana. It's इतना deep कि गहरा सिर्फ ज्ञान ही हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो गहरा ज्ञान है. सरस्वती इज बिलो, गंगा यमुना देयर जॉइनिंग टुगेदर. सो ये त्रिवेणी, ये तीनों के पार जाना है. मतलब वेंदे से वेद भी छोड़ दो तो ज्ञान के भी परे जाना इस त्रिरूप भंगा. देन वी हैव ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, वो भी है त्रिमूर्ति. ठीक, ब्रह्मा इज द इनिशिएटर, विष्णु इज द मेंटेनर, वी नो दैट, एंड डी इज द डिस्ट्रॉयर. तो ये तीनों जो ये तीनों क्वालिटीज है within us, इसके पार जाना है. If you are initiating something, if you are continuing something, and if you are responsible for finishing something, ये तीनों से भी पार जाना है. We have to cross the Trimurti also. So Tri-rupa bhanga. Okay, Purvakam, completion. Nitya dasya, Nitya kanta. Bhajanatmakam, Prema karyam, Premaiva karyam. So whole deal is, this whole understanding of Trimurti is to cross over how? With the help of Dasya Bhakti and Kanta Bhakti. Now दास्य भक्ति बोलते ही we feel, अरे सर्वेंट जैसा नहीं, दूसरा कुछ क्वालिटी है तो हम लोग वो वाला करते हैं. There are various bhaktis, दास्य भक्ति, साख्य, where it's friendship. Then there is Kanta Bhakti, Madhurya Bhakti, Vatsalya Bhakti. So उसमें से Kanta, see, Dasya is where you are the servant of the divine. Kanta Bhakti is where you are the beloved of the divine. Okay, so that's the exact translation. So these are the two ways wherein Tri-rupa bhanga easily ho jayega. Tri-rupa bhanga means you can cross over with this type of bhakti. So the first step always should be Dasya Bhakti, wherever we are. The attitude of service should be there. Now coming to this, we'll get into it, because Dasya Bhakti bolte hi we get that attitude na कि नहीं मुझे ये वाला नहीं करना है, मैं थोड़ी servant है. नहीं, मैं servant ही है, ये first समझना है हम लोग को. So when we look at Vishnu and Lakshmi, तो हम लोग को लगता है लक्ष्मी हमेशा विष्णु के पैर दबाती है, वो उसके पैरों में ही बैठी रहती है. What does this scene depict? कि वो आराम से लेटे हैं और वो पैर दबा रही है. Women's lip, ऐसा लगता है ये क्या चल रहा है? हाँ, लेडीज को ऐसा नहीं है. That's a misunderstanding by us. विष्णु का ही फॉर्म लक्ष्मी है. लक्ष्मी has come from the same thing. So वही जो ब्राह्मण है उसमें से निकली है लक्ष्मी. So the whole deal is I am serving myself. Now when the males, okay, when you open the car door for a woman, for your mother, sister, wife, whoever it is, जब ये दरवाजा खोलते हो तो एटीट्यूड में मत खोलना, क्योंकि जब अपना दरवाजा अपन खोलते हैं, अपन जो मूड में खोल रहे वही मूड में उसके लिए भी खोलना है. वो और मैं अलग नहीं है, is what we need to understand. That is how Dasya Bhakti comes. When a mother is feeding the child, how she is feeding the child? उसको कितना प्रेम से खिला रही है वो, है ना? So does she consider a lot of difference between them? लेकिन वो बच्चा भी बड़ा हो गया, 15, 16, तो वो प्रेम थोड़ा कम हो रहा है अभी, क्योंकि I and he or she are different now. So तुम लोग डांट के खिलाओगे, क्यों नहीं खा रहा है, क्यों नहीं खा रही है? The difference has come. The minute I see myself different from another person, then Dasya Bhakti is very challenging. देन आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस आ जाता है. देन इट्स लाइक मैं क्यों करूं उसके लिए. The man will feel, why should I open the door? Let her open it herself. Then it's happening. No man is opening the car door for the woman. Very few. Why? करने देना उसको, दरवाजा तो खोल रही है, उसमें क्या है. अरे तुम प्रेम से करो, वो प्रेम से तुमको खाना खिला रही है, तुम प्रेम से दरवाजा खोल के बिठा के फिर दरवाजा बंद करके अपना दरवाजा खोलो. The whole deal is we have forgotten to do all these things. It's not about saying तू तुच्छ है या मैं उच्च है. Nothing like that. Nobody is high or nobody is low. We are not talking on those terms. It's about serving each other. It's about serving each other. वो कोई भी हो. It's not only husband, wife. It could be parents and children. If your mother is there, won't you help her get into something if she is not having, if she is having some issues, she's not able to get into the lift or maybe the escalator. Won't we help? We will help. तभी क्या हम लोग कॉलर टाइट करके करेंगे? नहीं. इट विल बी नेचुरली हैपनिंग. जैसे कि मैं खुद ही चढ़ी, उनको भी चढ़ा दिया. इतना स्मूथली हो जाएगा, एक्शन पता भी नहीं चलेगा. उतना स्मूथली दूसरे का सेवा करना है, कोई भी हो. दैट इज दास्य भक्ति. द मिनट आई सी माई सेल्फ एज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अनदर पर्सन, फिनिश. नाउ द होल डील इज सामने वाले का कैरेक्टर कैसे भी हो, मैं मेरा दास्य भक्ति नहीं छोड़ेगी, नहीं छोड़ेगा. दैट शुड बी द एटीट्यूड. इट्स लाइक उसको ना बहुत एटीट्यूड है, आई कैन डू फॉर दैट वन बट आई कैन डू फॉर दिस वन. देन अगेन वी आर डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग. सॉरी, द होल डील इज सब में खुद को देखो. इफ आई कैन ओपन द डोर फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई कैन ओपन द डोर फॉर एनीबडी इन दिस प्लैनेट, एनीबडी ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. इट डजंट मैटर हु इट इज. It could be a very strict person. It could be somebody who is troubling you. It's somebody who is loving you. It doesn't matter who it is. Same attitude. Not because they are good or bad. It's because we want to cultivate the dasya bhakti in us. So don't feel कि मैं उसके लिए नहीं करूँगी, इसके लिए नहीं करूँगी. They are, ruling me. They are trying to take advantage of me. Nobody on this planet can take advantage if Krishna is with you. If we have understanding that Krishna, I am with Krishna, Krishna is with me, nobody is ever going to take advantage. जो तुमसे होना है वो ही होएगा, जो तुम्हारे साथ होना है वो होके ही रहेगा. There is no way we can change all those things. So let it continue the way it is, understanding that we have to get into Dasya Bhakti irrespective. So all the elders, all the children, whoever are around you, please try to cultivate this attitude, wherein we will understand that, see, earlier you remember in villages, I don't know now if it's happening, but the mother will be sitting with a pot of food and all the family members will be sitting in front and she'll be serving. That moment she is doing the Dasya Bhakti itself. She cooked it, she serves it, and then maybe she even lifts your plate. इतना लेवल तक दास्य भक्ति चलता था. ये सब अभी खत्म हो गया है. Everything is over. Why? And then we say प्रेम ही नहीं है. प्रेम का यही प्रेम ही है. This is प्रेम. कितना प्रेम से वो खिलाती थी उनको, और वो इतना करते तो बस हो जाता था हमको. इतना अच्छा वो प्रेम. That okay, now we need not shed tears thinking मेरी मम्मी अभी मेरे लिए नहीं कर रही है, मम्मी नहीं है, whatever it is. Please, we have to do that. Whether you're mummy or sister or wife or whatever, or husband, anybody, the gender doesn't matter. We have to serve the person who's next to us. That's the least I'm saying. We have to get out into society and be able to do that. But let's begin from home. जो भी है घर में उनको सर्व करो प्रेम से. क्यों? वो कोई भी हो, मेरे को भक्ति में जाना है. I am a devotee and I will behave like a devotee irrespective of what the other person is behaving. Why do we change our behavior based on the other person's behavior? Don't do that. Then Dasya Bhakti will not happen. बहुत प्रेम से सर्व करो. सब में कृष्ण देखने को मुश्किल हो रहा है तो मैं खुद अपने आप को खुद में देख लूं. If I serve myself, do I serve like this with anger? No. I serve nicely. Same way I will serve. It doesn't matter whose plate it is. Same way, I told you the other time also that I'm sitting and praying, and Akshata comes and lifts the Krishna from there and goes. My eyes are closed. I won't know. My feeling will continue. Or will it not? मेरे को suddenly लगे कृष्णा गया? नहीं. क्योंकि कृष्ण को मैंने ऑलरेडी अंदर ले लिया, मूर्ति वहां रखा है, आई टेक इट एंड वॉट एवर शी डज देयर डजंट मैटर, आई कंटिन्यू प्रेइंग। सेम वे सामने जो भी है हम लोग का एक्शन में दास्य भक्ति इज एब्सोल्युटली इंपॉर्टेंट। Now suppose you're very happily feeding your child, very happily. You close your eyes and by the time you open child गई and सामने mother-in-law या strict husband या wife या irritated person सामने बैठा है, suddenly your serving will change. Why? No. वो ही कंटिन्यू करो, वो भाव अपने अंदर है उसको कंटिन्यू करो, cultivate this, it's possible. Okay? Kanta bhakti will happen if we can do the dasya bhakti. It is the lover and the beloved being coming together. It's Krishna and Radha or whatever you call, Vishnu and Lakshmi, Shiva, Parvati, Shakti. ये साथ में जो आएंगे ना, वो उसको समय लगेगा. That is when I don't consider the other person as another person. How I'll tell you, how you'll understand that is, right now you have some itching in your right leg. Suppose, okay? Now you use your right hand and itch the right leg. So does the right hand say मैंने तेरे को इच किया? नहीं बोलेगा, नहीं बोलेगा। वो अपने ही हाथ अपने ही पैर को इच कर रहा है। या if you're feeling something on your face, you're using your right hand, left hand. Will the hand say, hello, I don't want to itch now? No, you will. You will do that. You'll scratch it or you'll do whatever is required. Hand and क्यों? मेरा पाँव है, my leg, my hand, I will do it. इतना क्लोज होना है कि सामने वाले का से इतना क्लोज है हम कृष्ण से या गुरु से, जैसे कि उसको जो हो रहा है तुमको भी महसूस होना है। To that extent the closeness is needed, which is very challenging. So we'll start with Dasya Bhakti, wherein we have the attitude of service. So when all the ashrams and everywhere they say seva karo, it is this only. When you go there and you need to serve food, there will be hundreds of people. You can't say इसको मैं एक ही रोटी दूंगी, उसको कुछ नहीं, चुपचाप देना है और बनाना भी है. So you can't say कि for her maybe I will not make because she was rude to me yesterday. She didn't say thank you. Hello, this is not bhakti. All this is out. Okay, we are not getting into this mess at all. Okay, whoever it is, एक ही भाव, because भाव मेरा है, सामने कोई भी हो. Get into this zone. All the activities in your life starting today, make a note of yourself, how we change the channel depending on who it is. Don't do that. Not when you're serving. When you're giving something, you could be giving some clothes to your wife or a husband or whoever, or maybe some food or maybe something. Shanti se, prem se karo. Same attitude rakhna hai. Because it's again nothing to do with them, it's with our progress. Okay? Next. With this, okay, नित्य दास्य, नित्य कांत, भजनात्मकम, भजन is उनको भजते हुए, ठीक है, प्रेम कार्यम, प्रेमैव कार्यम, यही है, प्रेम ही कार्य है, प्रेम ही दो बार बोल रहे बेचारे, because it's all about love, it's only love. प्रेम और परमात्मा में कोई भी difference नहीं है. There is no difference between प्रेम and परमात्मा. It is the same. It cannot be different. So wherever you feel the love, Paramatma is very much there. Then you don't say कि उसको ऐसे अवतार में आना चाहिए तो ही मुझे परमात्मा दिखेंगे. परमात्मा शायद दिख ही रहे, हमको देखना है fog के अंदर से. The fog is too much. So the next sutra will take.